This is my setup I've got going for model painting. I don't have any experience with model painting or with tools really, so be careful if you're going to do something like this. I've tried to be careful when I can, but I think it's best to try and understand things first. So this is my air compressor. It's a high quality one. I think it was about $600 to $700 in Australia, which is a lot of money. It's an American brand. You can see the data on it. And it pumps up my car tyres, an SUV and a small hatch. Pumps them up real quick. Got a good quality Nito coupling cable there for that. And this is what I do with the model paints. I've got this Chicago Air, it's an air controlling unit. What does it say on the box? Here's the box. Chicago Air 1/4 inch airline footer. So I've had to adapt it from the standard 1/4 inch Nito connectors. You can see the data there if you want to pause and check anything. And so I've got this this controller here, which I can control the PSI. I think I'm going to set it around about 5 PSI, 4 PSI, because I think that's what the spray thing goes to. So then I got Nito couplings for it. I probably should have put a male here as well, and then a female, converted a female off of this line. So this is the 1/8 of an inch, which is the standard model air gun type stuff. This is all, excuse me, Tamiya's cheaper brand stuff, which works fine. This is Sparmax. So I've got a line bleeder, which works really well. And that just allows me to sort of change some of the pressure on the line. So if we want to do more general spreading out of the paint, and then have it set on wide, we can do that. I've got a quick release coupling unit for 1/8 of an inch. Pop, there it goes. So I can leave this out here and then take this in for the night. This has also a pivot on it, which is pretty good. So the thing you have to watch out for, I think, is that these are rated for usually running around 4 PSI. They probably can handle like quite high PSI, but I don't want to run the risk. It's only a model making one, so I'm going to use this to regulate the pressure and then keep lower pressure running out of the tool. Tank reserve doesn't matter so much. I think if you're just going to run 4 times the capacity of the PSI, so if it's a 4 PSI, then 16, get up to 16 PSI on that one. And then for this one here, the tool itself, try and get it close. I'm going to try and get it close to put it in. Using this Duva Lucky controlling unit. And that way it's just going to have some nice protective elements, and I'll have heaps of air. Sweet, so that's how to do it. And I took a few converters just using airline tape you can grab. This is just off the shelf with that stuff. Got it at Total Tools and Sydney Tools as well. And yeah, it seems to be working okay so far.